Hello all. Continuation of the auxiliary verbs will, would and shall or should. Will. Used to express desire, preference, choice or consent. I will take this duty. Will you stop talking like that? Will is used to express a future. It will rain tomorrow. Will is used to express capacity or capability. For example, this bucket will hold 2 gallons of water. Will is used to express determination, insistence, or persistence. For example, I will do it as you say. So will is over. Next we move on to would. Past form of will is would. Would is often used in auxiliary functions with rather to express preference. For example, I would rather go shopping today. Would is used to express a wish or desire. I would like to have one more pencil. Would is used to express contingency or possibility. Example, if I were you, I would be so happy. Will is used to express routine or habitual things. Normally we would work until 6 p.m. That's about will and would. Next about shall. Mainly used in American English to ask questions politely. For example, shall we dance? Shall I go? It is also used in formal settings to deliver obligation or requirement. You shall abide by the law. Should is a past form of shall, used in auxiliary functions to express an opinion, suggestion, preference, or idea. Example, you should rest at home today. I should take a bus at this time. Should is used to express that you wish something that had happened but it didn't or couldn't. You should have seen it. It was really beautiful. Next example, I should have completed it earlier to meet the deadline. Should is used to ask for someone's opinion. For example, what should we do? Should is used to say something expected or correct. For example, there should be an old city hall building there. Please go through the quiz and exercise it. Thank you.